So, steering group have decided to do some work on staying safe online.
I am introducing to you is...
Hello everybody!
I want to check out for that video.
I don't want to see you ever again because of YouTube.
Okay, Dylan, what did you want to talk about?
The best way to do things is block them and report.
Okay, that's a good idea, isn't it?
Because they said hate comments. They said hate comments.
Hate comments.
People.
Okay.
That's what internet trolls do.
Okay. Dylan, you were just telling me about something else. What was it?
Don't reply to trolls.
So I thought a troll was somebody that lived under the bridge in the Three Billy Goats Gruff.
There's like...
Is that not?
There's like in... No, it's in a different way. There's like internet trolls. And they like to get a rise out of you.
I think I want to stay away from the internet trolls. They sound even worse than the troll in the Three Billy Goats Gruff.
They like to cyberbully people.
Oh, and Natasha's told us about cyberbullying.
Yeah.
Wow. Right, Dylan, can you tell me a little bit more about hacking?
There's like hundreds of people that are victims of getting hacked.
Really? What happens when you get hacked?
There's like scammers.
Wow.
And you can get hacked if you fall for a scam.
But how do we know if something's a scam? Oh, who would we ask if we weren't sure?
Talk to your parents.
Parents, that's a good one. That's a really good one.
Don't put messages on bad words.
Don't use bad words. That's a good one. Oh, Mataza's got another hint. Go on, Mataza.
In the computer, we don't cyberbully each other.
That's brilliant. We don't cyberbully. Millie, how can we stay safe online? What about if I meet someone in a chat room? Can I go and meet them in the park?
No. Yeah.
Or why? Because we mustn't meet. Excellent. We mustn't talk to strangers. That's a good. What do you know about internet safety?
Don't tell anyone your door numbers.
Brilliant, Joshua. I like that one. Article 16 says we have the right to keep some things private.
Just don't tell everyone your passwords or your email addresses.
Very good, Matan.
Save. Save. Online.
All.
The
Toy.
So, Casey, is there anything else you think the steering group could do to help teach the school about online safety?
There might be a competition.
Ooh.
We have the classes write like what Warsaw would do if they wrote a day made a gaming website.
Casey, some classes prefer drawing to writing.
Well, then they can draw a game which they think needs to be, like draw a game logo, which says that that website needs to become more known about what's happening.
What about if some classes do rules and some classes make a poster?
That would be amazing.
Should we do
that? And the winners could get...
So there you go. That was our staying safe online assembly from the steering group, and we were particularly thinking about Article 16, your right to privacy, and Article 17, you've got the right to get information in lots of ways so long as it's safe. And Casey has announced there a lovely competition, so it'd be great to make a display with your internet rules of how to stay safe, or your posters featuring Articles 16 and 17. So get designing, and we look forward to creating a new lovely Rights Respecting Schools display. And now I think Casey has put some bloopers in for you to enjoy. So Oscar Manor, are you done. Come on, we're done. We're done. Finished. It's finished. So, in our assembly, we've got someone really new and exciting to introduce you to. Louis, are you ready to introduce her? Louis, get rid of that knitting now. This is really important.
Get rid of it.
Not really hang in a minute, and you should go.
What are you doing?
What's going on?
What are you doing? We're recording.
No, in case he was filming.
Oops.
Oh,
Get out of the shop. Just go.
sorry,
Leave
Louis.
him alone.
Leave.
Let him do
Sorry,
what he
Louis.
wants.
Sorry.
Don't share your information.
Could you say it again, please?
Don't share your information.
Say it again, please.
Don't share your information.
Say it again, please.
Don't share your information.
What did you say, Louis? You
Don't share your information.
So here's a. That's a blooper. There's a cat in the video. So here is a recap on our articles in this assembly. Article 16, you've got the right to keep some things private. And Article 17, I've got the right to get information in lots of ways as long as it's safe. So that's a goodbye from me, Louise, from Chloe, from Steering Group, and from Brian, who has really helped a lot with recording this assembly. Thank you, Brian.